Silver's great pullback, 3 days till detonation. We are just 3 short days away from the greatest silver setup of the year. Everyone's looking in the wrong direction while this is creeping up on our silver price. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 silver eagles. Last month, the winner never even claimed those eagles. There's 20 silver eagles just sitting there waiting to be taken. Don't be that guy. Click that link in the link below. Be the next winner and take home that silver. Now, check this out. This Thursday, the government will drop the CPI, the Consumer Price Index. That number tells how fast prices are rising, everything from groceries to gas. And it's the report the Fed watches like a hawk. And here's the thing. The last CPI report showed inflation up 3.4% year over year. That's higher than the Fed's comfort zone. If Thursday's number runs even hotter, traders will expect interest rates to stay high longer, and that usually pressures silver. It'll be short term, but that's pressure on our price because silver doesn't pay any interest and money goes where it's treated best. But, and this is big, if inflation suddenly cools, silver could rocket higher because investors are going to rush into this safe haven asset, just like we've seen. So while everyone's focused on stocks, silver's sitting right on a fault line, ready to move either way. Here's what most folks are missing. It's not just inflation that moves silver, it's the real yield. That means interest rates minus inflation. That's key. And when those real yields climb, silver tends to fall because investors figure they could earn more from bonds, so they go for it. And when real yields drop, meaning inflation eats away those returns, silver suddenly looks like a much better deal. Right now, the 10-year Treasury real yield is sitting around 1.9%. That's near its highest in over a decade, 1.9. And that's one reason silver's been pulled back lately. But if Thursday's CPI number comes in soft, those real yields could slide, and that's when silver starts to pop. So you have to think of it as like a seesaw. When real yields go up, silver dips. When they go down, silver shoots up. Now, here's where things get tricky because we're in the shutdown, and a bunch of key reports have been delayed, including labor and trade data. That means traders are flying blind. They're waiting for the CPI. They're waiting for clear information because when traders fly blind, we see volatility that we don't need. With so much uncertainty, silver's been acting like a coiled spring. Here's a number. Volatility in silver futures jumped 18% last week. 18%. It's the biggest weekly spike since March. So when the data finally drops Thursday, that move could be fast and it could be violent, up or down. That's why this is a 3-day setup to detonation. Major CPI release, real yield pressure, and a data-starved market. That's where we're in. Get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 silver eagles. 20 eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver, and I'll see you on the next one.